Welcome to Style in Motion. Welcome to the mesmerizing world of the Black Tape Project, one of the most awaited highlights of Miami Swim Week 2024. In this video, we take you on a journey through the breathtaking artistry of body designs created using black tape, showcasing the perfect blend of creativity and innovation in fashion and art. Presented in stunning slow motion, this video captures every intricate detail of the designs, emphasizing the elegance and uniqueness of the human body as a canvas for artistic expression. The Black Tape Project is not just a fashion show. It's a celebration of artistic freedom and appreciation for the beauty of individuality through creative body art. Every piece is carefully crafted to strike a balance between aesthetics and ethics, delivering a new perspective on how art can be expressed through unconventional mediums. This video is intended to inspire, educate, and invite viewers to see body art in a whole new light. Don't forget to support us by hitting the like button, sharing this video with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more captivating content. Remember, art comes in many forms, and the Black Tape Project is a stunning example of how creativity knows no boundaries.